Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Crossroads and we're going to be driving from Crossroads down to downtown Kingston. Now Crossroads is geographically in the center of Kingston. It is got its name Crossroads because it's the point where four main roads cross each other or intersect in the city of Kingston. You have Slipe Road, which we are on, Halfway Tree Road, Old Hope Road, and Caledonia Avenue. So all four roads intersected there or cross each other, so it got the name Crossroads. Now, I just want to point out the city of Kingston is the largest city in Jamaica and has a population of almost 1 million people. Now, the parish of Kingston is different from the city of Kingston. The parish of Kingston is downtown. It's the smallest parish with about 90,000 people. So the city of Kingston includes places that are in the parish of Kingston and the parish of St. Andrew. So Crossroads is in the city of Kingston. Now you have Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in the city, and you have Downtown Kingston, which is probably the second busiest place. So when you are driving from Halfway Tree to downtown Kingston, you would go through Crossroads. Crossroads is a major transportation hub, and we are now on Slipe Road heading towards downtown Kingston. This is a mostly commercial area. Now at this intersection, if we were to turn right, we would go, that road will take us down to the KPH Hospital or the Kingston Public Hospital. If we go straight, that would take us to downtown Kingston as well. But we're going to turn left and go into downtown Kingston, but we're going to go from the East Street entrance. Now downtown Kingston, it's very large, has a lot of roads that can take you into the city or into the area of downtown. So we are now going on to National Heroes Circle, and on the left is National Heroes Park, and that's where former prime ministers of Jamaica are buried, national heroes. Okay, at this intersection now, if we were to turn right, we'd go on to King Street, and that would also take us down to Parade and into downtown Kingston. But we're going to take the East Street entrance, so we're going to keep on National Hero Circle and head towards East Street. On the right, where you see those cars parked up, is a very popular food place. Welcome to Crab Circle. They sell very nice crab over there, soup, jerk chicken. Very nice place. Okay, at this intersection now, if we turn left, we stay on National Hero Circle. If we turn right, we go on to East Street. And straight ahead, that building is the it's the Ministry of Education. Now an intersection coming up is North Street, and on the left, that blue building on the left, is the Gleaner Company, and they've been around for hundreds of years. Their address is actually, the entrance is on North Street. So we are on East Street heading towards, well, straight ahead is, well, we are in the downtown Kingston area, but we're heading towards the Kingston Harbor. Today is a Saturday, so the downtown Kingston area isn't as busy as it would normally be. Okay, we're now passing over the intersection with Law Street. We're now passing over the intersection with Barry Street. Okay, we're now passing over the intersection with Tower Street. We're now passing the intersection with Harbour Street. And we're now passing over intersection with Port Royal Street. Straight ahead is the Bank of Jamaica building, and this is one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica, and it's the central bank for Jamaica. Okay, straight ahead is the Jamaica Conference Center. And now we're now going on to Ocean Boulevard. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.